Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to get that lo-fi detuned low-pitched snare sound. After this video you will understand which steps you will need to get that sound on a real snare and with a snare sample with processing and effects. Here's a real Pearl Masterworks snare and it sounds like this. And here's a random snare sample. Now first off you will hear that both real snare drum and snare sample are pitched too high. We need to lower the pitch on both. It's simple with the sample, you just lower the pitch. But with this real snare it's a bit more involved. While I detune this snare, please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Okay, both snares have lower pitches now, but they sound too open. They both need muffling or damping, and for this real snare I will use a cloth to dampen it to my taste. I will also use some tape to keep it in place. For the sample I will use a low pass filter and roll off the high end. Now you can already hear a difference. This is the real snare. And this is the sample. One main difference is that the real snare has attack to it where the sample doesn't. Add an envelope shaper to the sample and increase the attack a bit. You can also hear that the real snare is a lot shorter now. Again, use the envelope shaper plugin to reduce the length of the sample. The sample is getting closer to the real snare, but there is still one important difference, and that is snare rattle. The snare rattle is still present on the real snare, but is missing from the sample. Down-pitched snare rattle sounds weird, so you need to insert something which will mimic the snares. And the free Waves Factory snare buzz is perfect for that. The link to the plugin is in the description below. I like snare 5 and you can adjust the length of the snare rattle. Adjusting the length of the snares is also something you need to do on a real snare. Let me do that right now. So here's the real snare. And here's the snare sample. Both snares are different, so the result will also be different, but in both cases you will have a lo-fi down-pitched snare drum sound. Now you know why you need to do the steps I showed. From here you can add EQ, compression and more. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.